In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendgrid for email marketing. We're going to walk through creating and sending a one-time marketing email, often called a campaign, using Sendgrid's single sends feature. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to confidently send a polished email to your audience. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled Marketing and click on it. This is where all of your email marketing tools live inside Sendgrid, so you'll come back here often whenever you want to send campaigns or manage contacts. Within the marketing area, look for an option called Single Sends. Single sends are perfect for one-off emails like announcements, promotions, or newsletters that you send at a specific time. Click Single Sends, and then in the top right corner of the page, click the Create Single Send button. This starts the process of building a new email. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. Sendgrid gives you a few options here. You can pick a pre-built Sendgrid design if you want something quick and professional looking right away. You can choose one of your own saved templates if you've designed emails before and want to reuse that layout. Or, if you prefer complete control over the look and feel, you can start with a blank template. Choose the option that best matches what you're trying to send today. After selecting your template, choose the design editor. This is Sendgrid's visual drag-and-drop builder, which makes it much easier to create an email without touching any code. It's especially useful if you're not a designer or developer, because you can see your email come together as you build it. Before you dive too deep into the design, switch over to the Settings tab for this single send. Here, you'll configure 3 important pieces of information. First, choose your From Sender. This should be a verified sender email in your Sendgrid account, so your message doesn't get blocked or flagged as spam. Next, type in your subject line. Aim for something clear and compelling that reflects the content of your email. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the lists or segments you want to receive this campaign. Lists are broader groups, while segments can be more targeted, like people who opened a recent email. Once your settings are in place, go back to the design and build your email by dragging and dropping content blocks. You can add text, images, buttons, and dividers, arranging them until the layout looks just right and matches your brand. When everything looks good and you're happy with the settings and design, click Review Details and Send. This final screen gives you a quick overview. If everything checks out, go ahead and launch your single send immediately, and your email will be delivered to the contacts you selected.